by and take a look at the 2019 CLA. The CLA comes with impressive handling, excellence, and luxury interiors. It has amazingly sleek lines, which also reduces the coefficient drag to minimal and making it very aerodynamic, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, rain-sensing wipers, rear fog light, low tire pressure warning, power windows, tachometer, power steering. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.